Got a new headlight and some fork ears for my Z50r Frankenstein. Just do a quick little video here to show you guys the installation process. Maybe a little fab included. Go ahead, comment, subscribe, and like if you guys like what you're seeing. What do you know, these $5 specials off eBay aren't even close to fitting. Probably got almost 2 inches there. Gonna have to do a little bit of modification. Alright guys, that seemed to work, so I'm just going to go ahead and try and copy what I did on the other side. Off camera work. And now we'll just flare that. Be able to make that one work too. Not too bad. About 25 bucks off of the old eBay. We'll hook up power. We'll show you what it looks like lit up if I don't blow it up. Alright, you gotta splice a couple female connectors on the light. Plug them in. We'll see what she does. Well, I guess let's see if it works. Alright, thanks for watching guys. Like I said, if you could, please comment, subscribe.